When you're ready to send certs for an upcoming customer shipment, you can either search for a SmartCert that's already been created or create one for a shipment. When you start typing in your customer name and you don't see them on the network, you can keep the name in the customer field, reference the PO, and then scroll down to add cert packages for the line items in the shipment. This searches your inventory, so I'm going to search by lot number. You could search by any internal reference number that you use to build the cert package for the shipment. Once you're done with this step, if there's any documentation you want to include for the shipment, in this example, I'll include my packing list and save my SmartCert. I now have a SmartCert for my customer referencing their PO and 3 SmartCerts with certs for each line item, as well as a packing list. When I'm ready to send this, because my customer wasn't yet listed in the dashboard, I'll click the share arrow and I'll type in the name of my point of contact at my customer. When I'm ready to send the SmartCert, I'll click the share arrow, and this is where I'll enter the email address of my point of contact at my customer.